Hello to you, welcome at Ann Traveler channel. It's a Sunday evening and I adore these 5 minutes of relaxation next to the lake in a local park. It's actually amazing being next to the water. You know, you have usually hectic working days or hectic mom's days, as in my case, and when you have an opportunity to go somewhere, local park or somewhere at the lake, especially, the water is a healing. It's a really healing method. How to relax, to switch off your brain and to be ready for the next week, which is full of surprises. I hope pleasant ones, but sometimes not so. And it's good when you are living somewhere close to such place. For us, the park is far. You have to get there by car, but I appreciate the several weekend moments when you can stay next to it. And tell me about your favorite places at weekend. I think everybody has some favorite spot, some location where you can really relax with your soul and heart. I will be waiting for your comments and let's enjoy together. Let's relax, meditate, and let's get all those positive vibes from the water. Thank you for your support. Please like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate every comment, every like. It really means a lot to me. Thank you.